he's doing the scoocher first. We're trying to show cuteness. We're doing the scoocher. Hey, these trees look like they have ghosts on them. Ghost trees.
Yahoo! Yahoo!
Go down on your front again.
What?
Go down head first.
What?
Head first.
What?
Head. On your belly. Head first.
What?
We should go home and do the one at the end of the parking lot.
When they do that... That's all my mittens. My humble shoulder.
I'm sorry. We should go home and get new mittens and then go at the one at the end of the parking lot.